Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve x minus 4 whole cube is equals to negative 8 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. So here I am going to use a very famous identity, that is a minus b whole cube, which is equals to a cube minus 3a squared b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So let's put all the values. So a cube is x cube minus 3 times x square times 4 plus 3 times x times 4 square minus 4 cube is equals to negative 8. So x cube minus 12x square plus 48x minus 64 is equals to negative 8. X cubed minus 12x square plus 48x minus 64 plus 8 is equals to 0. So x cubed minus 12x square plus 48x minus 56 is equals to 0. If we factorize this, so it gives us x minus 2 as common, and what is x square minus 10x plus 28 is equals to 0. Now we have two roots, either x minus 2 is equals to 0. So this gives us the value of x is 2, and we are going to use quadratic formula here to solve this equation. That is x is equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a, where a is coefficient of x square, b is coefficient of x, and c is the constant. So let's put all the values. So x is equals to negative 10 plus minus negative 10 square minus 4 times 1 times 28 by 2 times 1. So x is equals to 10 plus minus under root 100 minus 112 by 2. So x is equals to 10 plus minus under root negative 12 by 2. So x is equals to 10 plus minus, we can write to under root 12 as 2 under root 3, the negative sign, by 2. So x is equals to 10 plus minus 2. Negative 1 is equals to iota. So we can write this as root 3 iota by 2. If I take 2 as common from numerator, so it becomes 10 plus minus root 3 iota by 2. We can cancel out this. This is 5. So the value of x is 5 plus root 3 iota, and x is equals to 5 minus root 3 iota, and x is equals to 2. These are the three values of x. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.